Hello, my name is Andreas, and now we will have a look into our CODEO IDE. Let's start.
Welcome to A Cup of CODEO, your 5-minute tutorial.
We start from the main perspective. In this video, I will use the outline view, so I will open it now. PikeOS integration projects use groups and components to structure the project at a high level of abstraction. This gives you the opportunity to build modular and reusable configuration elements, saving time instead of creating configuration from scratch each time you start a new project. To support this approach, projects should be structured along the system architecture, for example by defining functional groups that form the application in a logical structure. Here I want to demonstrate some techniques on how to restructure a project so that the application can be extracted as a reusable component. I use the interpartition communication project described in the tutorial to demonstrate this. The project implements an application that consists of a controller process and a calculator process. Both are implemented using partition components and process components accordingly. So as a first step, I define a new group for my IPC application. Then I move the partitions and the processes into this new group. This step is purely logical and does not have any impact on the PikeOS system yet. But this is not all. Furthermore, these processes use so-called partition channels for bidirectional communication and shared memory in addition to exchange data. The channels are configured inside the partition channel table in the VMIT. The shared memory is inside the shared memory table inside the VMIT. Channels and shared memories are labeled with VMIT 0. This indicates that these elements are part of the global project VMIT, but not related to any component. The effect becomes clear when copying the IPC application group to another project now. The application shows a warning because the VMIT configuration is not copied over, as it is logically not coupled to my application yet. We want to change this. The relevant VMIT elements must be encapsulated in a component. The component must then be grouped with my IPC application group. So as a first step, I create a new component that shall hold my VMIT configuration as a next step. Now I switch to the VMIT tab to find the configuration elements. By selecting the element, it becomes highlighted in the Project XML tab. Look at the structure. We are in the shared memory table of the VMIT. Now cut the element. We use the outline view to navigate to the configuration component again. Go to the VMIT part and add the shared memory table. Now we are ready to paste the shared memory configuration from the clipboard. With this step, the shared memory VMIT configuration is encapsulated in the configuration component. Now I repeat this step for the channels in the partition channel table as well. With these steps, the VMIT configuration is now part of the component related to my application. Now let's copy the entire IPC application again to the other project and verify if it worked out. We have to remove the broken copy and paste the new copy. And as you can see, the VMIT elements are in place and the application does not show up a warning as before. You can also see that the elements are assigned to configuration component, not to VMIT 0. From here, you can also export the entire application into the custom pool and share it with other projects if you like.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
You can try out our CODEO IDE together with a free ELinOS test version. Go to our website and start your experience.